Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to share your location on iPhone with iOS 26. Basically, it's very easy to do, but firstly, we should set up some things in our settings. So, of course, firstly, you should have Find My application installed on your iPhone. Okay. And you should have your Find My application. You should download it from App Store if you don't have it, but it's pre-installed on every iPhone, so maybe you have it. Just try to find it in your app list. Then we should set up our location. Okay, so some people have problems with Find My application just because they have bad just location settings. So scroll down, find in settings, privacy and security. Here find location services, find your Find My application and choose here ask next time or when I share. If you don't have here always allow. Okay, so if you don't have always allow, click ask next time, then open Find My. And here select allow while using the app. It's important. And now here we can share our location to someone. So for example, click start sharing location. I wanna share my location to someone, and here you can or just enter the phone number of the person you wanna share your location, but of course this person should have this number connected to their Apple ID account, and it should be connected to Apple device. Okay, so basically you can enter phone number or just you can enter the email of iCloud, the person you want to share it. Okay, and here you can select how long you want to share your location, for the 1 hour, until end of a day, or indefinitely, so just forever. Okay, until you disable it. For example, I wanna enable it for now hour for in 1 hour. You can enable use this device when sharing location. So click use. For example, you started sharing your location with the contact. And now, for example, HHHHH can see my location. And of course, here I can stop sharing my location. So just clicking stop share my location. Cool, that's it. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. So leave me a like and a comment below, and bye. See you.